Here we are again, another ride out. Oh god, it's funny, mate. Don't do it, don't do it. Oh, come on. What the f? Oh, it's funny, innit? We're on our way to Route 59. Yes, lad! We're on our way to Route 59 Cafe in Skipton, I'm pretty sure. Hoping I put the right address in, or I'm taking like 8 or 9 people to the wrong address. You can tell who's on a 600, can't you? Oh my god. Good, good. Oh my god. Oh my god. No! Oh my god, whenever there's a bandit, there's always a bike not starting. Kill switch! What's that? Oh my god. Oh. Oh, this is hilarious. Whoa. Oh my god. Can I help that? Oh my god. Whoa! Wasp. Oh, so my dad hit his kill switch and his bike cut out. We're all playing a bit of musical theatre. Oh god, it's funny. Just prepare for these lights to change, because as we know, don't want any of us stuck at lights. Looks awfully dark today. It's actually quite hard keeping a group together, like leading the whole group, because when you come into roundabouts you need to sort of judge, right, well I'm going to slow down quite a bit in advance compared to what I'd normally do, because I want everyone to get through kind of at the same gap as me. I don't trust you, that's why. I knew he couldn't, he didn't know where we were going. I just had a feeling. When you're from Bradford and all you do is witness Bradford driving, you just have a feeling to everyone. Oh my god. Why has it got to take me through Bradford? I mean, to be fair, I think it'd have added like a 40 minutes, extra 40 minutes if we wouldn't have gone through Bradford, but I suppose sometimes you've just got to do things you haven't got to do to get to where you want, you know what I mean? Bit of motivational speaking. And in my case, it's go through Bradford to get to Skipton. Group rides are great, man. This is my second group ride ever, and we planned it in the Discord. I can't speak today. Planned it in the Discord, so yeah, I'm gonna not stop banging on about it, to be honest, because I really want as many people in and around Yorkshire to join. Do you know what? We're going for it. Cheers, mate. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, not bad, we're all here now.
Yeah. It's all right there, because there's no junctions, you know what I mean?
Like we're saying, this is my my second group ride ever, and we planned it in the Discord, and like I say, I'm not going to stop banging on about it, because I want as many people in and around Yorkshire to join it, so it can be on our next ride out. I think the first ride out we ever did, last week or the week before, there were 7 of us, and now there's I think 9 of us, so ever so slowly increasing the numbers. And if you're fairly new on a 125 and you're a bit nervous about riding in general, you can still come on the rides. Trust me, we're very, very tame. We don't go crazy. Obviously we're not on motorways because we're all on CBTs, majority of us. Thought that was a speed camera. Obviously if you join the group, plan a ride and you can't go, just thumbs down react. That's normally what we all do. I'll just put a date in the chat, and as soon as we've got some good numbers I create an event, and then you basically say if you're interested in going or not. To be fair, I'm hoping we get to some nice-ish little roads, because I don't just want to be driving through Bradford, you know what I mean? And to be honest, I'd want to be right at the back so I can get everybody in on camera and you can see how sick it looks, but no one knows where they're going. I'm kind of the leader at the minute. It's a nice bike, nice bike. At this point of recording, I'm not entirely sure who it was, but someone's travelled like an hour and a half just to get to like the meeting point, and then another hour to go to Skipton, so I very much appreciate you coming. Oh, there is a Shell. Go in here, go in here, go in here. Oh, my dad needs petrol. Off-roading on go. Do you?
Got 2 JBL speakers in it. I know.
Oh, can you connect it to your phone?
Yeah.
Play music and that? Oh, go on. Like GTA 5, chilling at lights, love it. Oh my god. Hey! Right, it is currently raining, but apparently on weather app it just says light rain for the next hour, so hopefully we're alright, and hopefully my KTM is alright in rain. It's not actually necessarily cold. I mean, I've got a hoodie on underneath my leather jacket, which I'm very grateful for, because I were in two minds before leaving. Oh, should I put it on, should I not? Is it going to be a bit too hot? Is it going to be too hot? What were I thinking, man? Thank God I put it on. What's quite cool is when you've got rain on your visor, my instructor from my CBT taught me this, and if you go in at half a decent speed, you can like turn your head, no raindrops just fly off. Go on then. We've got an on the grom on this group ride that pops and bangs and spits flames. It is fantastic. Why has it got to rain? I mean, them clouds they are full of rain, aren't they? I don't know if you can kind of see, but yeah, we've no hope, have we? Let's hope that cafe is one, open, and two, let's hope it's got some hot chocolates on, because I'm freezing. Oh my god, the rumble device. Can it not, man? Right now, brand new back tyre. I'm taking it very easy around here, I don't care what anyone says. It's absolutely terrifying. Are we all made it? I think we have. You are joking. Oh, we are well and truly in the weather now. Oh my god. I'll be glad to get to this cafe, I'll tell you that for free. This is light rain for the next hour. In what world is this light rain? God. I know. We've still got 20 minutes that way, so, and it looks a bit lighter over there, so it might be alright.
Next stop, can I put my phone in your pocket? On your bike?
Yeah. My fuck.
Fuck, lads.
You are? I know.
We're gonna be drenched up.
I know, fuck's sake. It looks a bit better over there, that's my only last hope.
Keep going.
Yeah. Oh my god. My boxers are getting wet. Oh, this is terrible. Oh, goodness me. I'm getting through this as fast as possible. Oh my days. What do you mean re-centre? Oh my god, I'm wet through. Blue skies! Blue skies! Come on! Blue skies, please! My whole crotch area is wet! My phone keeps moving my sat nav and keeps telling me to recenter it. Recenter yourself, f***ers everyone. Yeah, we're all good. Where's he gone? Has it rerouted me? Is this where I'm going? I think this is where I'm going. We're going to have to pull up down here somewhere. I don't know where, but we're going to have to pull up. Pull up here.
Skipton is cooked off home.
Oh, is he? Not surprised. Did you see me nearly skid out though? Yeah. His back end went like that.
No.
I'm piss wet through.
It's what it is. Once you're wet, you know what I mean? You can't control that.
It's 15 minutes anyway. It's typical, innit? I know, you know what I mean? It said light rain for an hour. Light rain. That's never seen light. That's what I mean. I think that's where we're going. I'm piss wet through. Oh my god. That is great. Yeah, come on boys, come on boys. What a geezer. Oh, the Grom sacrificed his life. I can't even see with that visor down, but I don't want a rock in my eye, so it kind of needs to go down. Oh, look now. Beautiful sunny weather. Don't. Beautiful sunny weather. If that ain't the UK summed up, I don't know what is. I don't know if my camera got it on record, but one of the riders in group, well, he's gone home, but he very nearly slipped out, I'm sure of it. But his arse fell out, man. Hopefully he got home safe though. Hopefully he did. I suppose this is what makes the journey, doesn't it? Makes the memories, because then you think, oh, a Basmoto Yorkshire ride out. Yeah, I remember that. I got piss wet through. You know what I mean? At least you got something to remember. Just hoping. It looks alright over there. It doesn't look dark. It just looks misty. I don't really want to wipe my visor. Just because I don't want to scratch it. It's like the known thing. Don't wipe your visor with your gloves. Come the bodies out we get. interesting. We'll go over there. Oh god, just here. Thank for that. Oh, it's a 1290 Duke there, though, I'll tell you something. Oh, yeah, I feel after that. Me hair. Oh.
The road's coming down there, proper nice.
Yeah, nice houses, weren't they?
That's up wet though, that's good.
I'll put this near my bike actually, that run.
You know, around the outside or bring it
I'm going to leave it on my bike, mate.
2 hours later.
Have to. Go on, go on, go on, go on. Mother where?